Central humidifiers control the moisture throughout your home, providing optimal humidity year-round. Not enough humidity leads to dry air, which can cause dry skin or shrinking of hardwood, while too much humidity may result in condensation issues such as attic rain. Over time, dust and mineral deposits can affect your humidifier's efficiency, and regular maintenance is essential. To clean your humidifier, first turn off the water supply, and then switch the duct damper position to off or summer mode. Next, carefully remove the humidifier cover and vapor pad. Remember to inspect the drain hose and vapor pad for mineral deposits and check their overall condition. Use your kitchen sink to soak the vapor pad in a solution of equal parts vinegar and water to clean. Pat the vapor pad dry before reinstalling and replacing the cover. Finally, return the duct damper to its original position and turn the water supply back on. That's it, you're done. During the spring and summer, your home's humidity level should be set between 35 and 40%, reducing to 20 to 30% in the fall and winter. On extremely cold days, be sure to lower your humidity to 20%. We recommend cleaning your humidifier seasonally. For more home maintenance tips, visit us online.